Um, whoa. Hang on. Okay. Whoops. Boom. I don't know. That's whatever time was there. Whatever time I put the cube on table. Okay. I didn't see what time it was. But you guys see that in the title or whatever. It'll. You guys see that the display is about a minute something. It's like a minute. There you have it. That's not the actual time that because I don't know, for some reason didn't stop at the time when I dropped the cube. I don't know. I mean, it should have stopped, but something didn't go right when I stopped the cube, and it just didn't go all the way in or something. I don't know. But it's a little less than that, like a minute. I will say a minute 5 seconds, somewhere around there. But the exact time, we'll see. We'll figure it out. Well, you guys already see the title. Yeah. Anyways, there you have it. Around a minute, I'll say. That's about my average time. As far as I only solve it that beginner's method. I haven't got a chance. I mean, haven't really got to. Alright. Anyways, that is my time. No, not this time, but a little bit earlier, a minute or a minute 5 seconds, or maybe 3 or 7. I don't know. Maybe a little less than that. So, anyways, hope you guys liked the video. Thumbs up, comment, subscribe, whatever you guys want to do. Alrighty.